Today we are going to see a topic about types of intelligent agents. Before going into the topic of types of intelligent agent, we must know what is meant by intelligent agent. Intelligent agent is nothing but it is a fundamental concept in artificial intelligence. That means it is an anything that perceives its environment and take action that maximize its chance of successfully achieving its goal. That is known as intelligent agent. Intelligent agent main work is it preserves the data and it put it into the environment and take what action has been performed and successfully reach the goals. That is known as intelligent agent. Okay, now we move to the types of intelligent agent. What are the types of intelligent agent? Now we have 5 types of intelligent agent. That is simple reflex agent, model based agent, goal based agent, utility based agent, learning agent. These are all the 5 types of agent today we are going to see in our topic. First of all, simple reflex agent. What is meant by simple reflex agent? Simple reflex agents is nothing but it is the simplest agent. In this agent, what actually going to performance, the agents take decision on the basis of the current percept and ignore the rest of the percept history. That means it can act only on the current environment condition. Okay, it does not bother about its past or future experience. It just act on the current environment condition. That is known as simple reflex agent. It is this agents where it will be successfully observed. Now it will be fully observable environment. It's not partially observable environment. It is a fully observable environment. Then it does not use memory of past state because we don't want past experience. We are focusing only on the current environment. Then these are what are all the condition it has been following now. It just focusing on the condition, action, if condition, do action. See the diagram. Here we have agent, sensor, percept, environment and action. What actually running now? Now sensors has sensed that what the world is right now. Then what action I should do now. Then based on the condition and action, what is the outcome and how the outcome has been given to the environment. This was the simple reflex agent. Example is basics, robots, thermostats. These are all the example. Next topic is model based agent. Model based agent means what? Na? It mainly focus on the model based agent is mainly focus on the internal model of the world. Okay, internal model of the world is nothing but it is a partially observable environment, not fully observable environment. It is a partially observable environment. In model based reflection, we have 2 important factors. What is meant by model? What is meant by internal state? We are telling that internal model. No, what is meant by that? No, it is mainly focused on the current state based on the percept history. Based on the percept history, we are focusing on the current state. Okay, okay. Then in this what it will be actually do na, use memory or history to make better decision. That means we can take the history and in that history we will go through it. Then we have a better decision. We can able to take better decision. Then here model based reflex agent, the agents mainly focus on which is the knowledge of the world. Based on that only we can able to perform the action. Okay, in this diagram first what the world is like now. Okay, then what actually first we are giving what state we are, then how the world involves, then what my action to do in this world, in this environment, what my action going to do, then after that what action I should do now, then it will move to the environment. Okay, that is mainly model based reflex agent is nothing but it mainly focus on the internal model of the world. Okay, next goal based agent. Goal based agent is nothing but it mainly focus on the current state the current state environment is not always sufficient to decide for the agent what to do. So goal based agent needs to know its goal, which describes desirable situation. That means knowledge that means goal based agent mainly focus on the goal, its goal, what the goal should be reached, that should be clearly explained in this goal based agent. What action, that means what action we are going to choose so that what goal we can able to get it, that is the goal based agents goal based agent. Then here in this diagram also, see, we are giving that what if will be like, if I do an action, then what action I should do now. Okay, only based on the goal only it will be fully performed. Then utility based agent is nothing but decide based on best possible outcome. That means what are at last we have received that goal based agent, after that what level of happiness we can able to get from the utility based agent. That means utility based agent is mainly act on not only the goals but also the best way to achieve the goal. Okay, so utility based agent is very useful for multiple possible alternatives, because the agent has to choose in order to perform the best action. Then this utility function where it will be map each state of the real number, because it want to check how efficiency action receives the goal. Okay, so in this diagram we can able to see that. Next, learning agent. Learning agent is nothing but learning agent is nothing but to improve the performance over time by learning from experience. That means in learning agent we can able to learn from its past experience or their learning capabilities. But it basically what it will do now, it start to act with basic knowledge, and then it can able to act and adapt automatically through learning. Okay, so here we have four types: learning element, critic, performance elements, and problem generator. In learning element, improve knowledge. Performance element is nothing but decides the action, what action should do. Then critic is nothing but evaluate the performance. Then finally problem generator is nothing but we can able to explore new actions. So in example we can able to take self-driving car, because in self-driving car we can it has many automatic system. So this was the example of that. Okay, thank you.